This is a quick video to show you how to set up your iPad controller for use with the Subway SubShop 2000 software. The first thing you're going to need to do in order to configure your iPad controller is to plug in a PC keyboard. This can be a PS2 style keyboard as shown in the picture, or this can be a USB style keyboard. Plug in your keyboard and then power up your iPad controller. Once powered up, it should automatically come to the enhanced setup screen. If it does not automatically come to this screen, you'll have to repower your device and tap the F1 key while it is booting it up. Then it will stop at the setup screen. Once in the setup screen, you're going to have to configure system type, IP address, subnet mask, and default gateway. The system type needs to be configured for remote client to be used with the SubShop software. Once you configure the system type, you'll go down and configure the IP address, subnet mask, and default gateway. Your IP address needs to be configured within the IP scheme of your system. Once you're done with that, make sure that your bump bar type, your touch screen, and your mouse are all disabled. The next step in the process, after you've saved your settings, is to repower your controller and allow it to boot up without the PC keyboard plugged in. This will take you to the waiting for server to connect screen. Double check on this screen to make sure the local IP, subnet mask, and default gateway are the same as you had configured in the setup screen. The next step in the process is to run the RodGold software, which has been preloaded on your server, and make sure that it repaints the screen on the iPad as follows. If it does not, then there's a communication problem between the controller and your server. The information for troubleshooting that will be provided in a separate troubleshooting video. The final step in this process is to send an order from your point-of-sale workstation and make sure it shows up on the kitchen screen. If it does not show up, please refer to our troubleshooting video.